Hello guys, and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be teaching you on how to remove the green screen background from your video, just like you will see now. So first of all, you head over to the Capcut app in your PC. Then you either click this plus here to import, or you import it manually. So let's head over to the video. These are green screen videos. I downloaded them from YouTube. So let's use a running goat. Then we need the first layer, because if we remove the background now, it will just be like the goat running on the black background. So now let's add our first layer. So I will just add a student. So now we import it to our timeline. Then we also import the video, that is the green screen video. So you can choose to adjust it here, but before you adjust it, we have to remove the background, this green background. So what we need to do is to head over to remove BG. Now we don't go for auto removal because it says only human figures can be cut out. So we go to Chroma Key. Now we select the color picker, then we pick the color we want, which is this green color. So we pick the color. Now we have to work on the intensity. So this we have to just adjust it. If you adjust it too much, you see that it's becoming transparent. So you just adjust it moderately. Then we work on the shadow if need be. So now we don't just leave it like this, we have to reduce it. So let's just bring it here. So the idea is the goat runs in or passes anyone. So we adjust this. Now let's play it. So the goat is just running at a spot. You can just bring it to the middle and just play it. So now let's go to the exporting. Now you go to the export here, you name your project green screen. Then your resolution, the higher the resolution, the higher the size. So we can use 480p, 720, depending on where you want to upload it. If you want to upload it to your YouTube channel, I will advise you use the 4K for a good quality. But if you have challenge with data, you can just use the 2K or 1080p. Now we are using the 2K. Then the bitrate, you can use recommended or higher. So let's use higher. Then the MP4 format, we use the MP4. Then frame rate, you can use either 30 frames per second or 60, but the recommended one is just 30 frames per second as far as you're not shooting a movie. So we click export. Now we've exported it. So we open it and we play it. So this is our video. So thank you very much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get notified when we upload new contents. Thank you.